I'm recording this call. My name is Lance Mason, and I've been trying to get in touch with Jared Walliver for more than for a couple months. I've only spoken to him one time. Anyway, the result of all that is that we have a Sixth Amendment violation for I haven't been I've been denied my access to counsel, which is you guys. You guys should be my counsel, and y'all have not been. So I mean, and when more than one person get together and do that, that's conspiracy against rights. So therefore, I would like to speak to Jessica Yeary, and she can call me back, and it will be recorded. We're recording, so she should be prepared. May I speak to, you're being recorded. May I speak to Jessica Yeary, please? Lance Mason? Yes. Jared Walliver, you say? Yes, that was true, but nobody has handled my case, and so it is therefore a Sixth Amendment violation. Because nobody's doing anything. I can't get him to call me back. Okay. Thank you. I bet there's some scrambling going on over there right now. What do we say? Is being heard all over that office right now. If I'm guessing. Yes.
Hi, this is Miss Diaz with the Public Defender's Office.
Yes, ma'am.
The County Court Division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I just heard from Miss Ashley that we are not too happy with the lack of communication.
Well, that's absolutely the result of that is that I can't that I haven't been denied right to counsel is because I can't get, and the pretrial people are breathing down my neck, and I'm not guaranteed to speak to pretrial in the Constitution in the way that I'm guaranteed to speak to a lawyer. So I'm giving y'all first, like, I'm not talking to them until I talk to y'all.
Okay. So I want you to know I am an attorney.
Yes.
And I'm on your team.
Yes, that's what I like to hear. Awesome.
So I've got I see an email address here for you. Let me make sure we have good contact information for you so we can follow up.
Yes.
I see the phone number you're calling from is 818.
That's the new number. That is the new number. You have to change it to that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that might have been part of it.
That would have been part of it, I'm sure. Yes, that would have been part of it. But I've been trying to call, and I've had, you know what I'm saying.
Yes, sir, of course.
Okay.
I know it can be hard to get it through sometimes.
Yes.
So
Yes. Right. Okay. Fantastic.
Would you just give me a moment and let me see if Mr. Walliver is available?
Sure.
If you'd like to speak to him right now?
Yeah, that'd be great. Awesome.
And if he's not, for some reason, if he's just on the phone.
Hey, let me throw this to you. The body cam video, the critical piece of evidence that will sink their case is I still haven't seen it, and if I could just see that, I mean, I can't believe that the prosecutor, after seeing that video, will they're going to drop the case like a hot potato because I'm going to blow it out of the water with that video if it ever surfaces. Anyway, so if you know what I'm saying, so if we could just get that, I don't even need to talk because I mean, once I see the video, it's over. Show that to the prosecutor. I guarantee the prosecutor hasn't seen it yet because you know what I'm saying? Because it's going to blow their case out of the water. And no prosecutor's going to, especially with the, you know, they got other stuff that they can handle besides me trespassing at my alma mater. You know, I'm a CPA. I went to school at the place. And the video just explains that whole thing. So, you know what I'm saying?
I do see, Mr. Mason, that we have received some video.
Yes. Yes.
How about I set you up for an appointment? Well, before I set you for an appointment, I guess we need to deal with the warrant.
Yes.
That's going to be an issue before you can come to the courthouse. I was about to tell you if you want to come down today.
Yeah. Well, see, I'm in Bay County also, but I'd love to do Zoom meeting. You know, if I could do a Zoom meeting, that'd be awesome. But they're gonna, you know, I'm not. I want to. We're gonna. I will. I'll. Yes. No. Well, I was gonna go to law school over there or graduate school, and then that was a hell of a recruiting effort, by the way. And they've prevented me from talking to the business school. That's one of the, I believe that Judge Hobbs may have made a cameo appearance back over into criminal court when she was supposed to be over in family court, I had thought. I think that that'd be a problem for the prosecution and a problem for Judge Hobbs too, if she did a cameo like that, when she was ordered to be in family law. If I'm guessing, I don't know. Whoever gave the order, yes, yes. Well, we have an example of why Judge Shornstrom is talking about it in the testimony at 2 hours and 33 minutes into that 8 hour and 40-minute video. Judge Shornstrom is talking exactly about what's happening right here, where they're going where she's beholden to law enforcement like Sergeant Collier. And he calls over there and she gives him something good. Like, you can't even call the police. You can't call, they can seize my property and then I can't call them back about that. I think that might be a problem with due process. And in addition, right there in the video I did see, or also in the narrative, they say that the car was a gift. The car that the FSU police stole with my mother from me. They admitted it was a gift. And I don't know. I mean, did somebody look at that word gift and know what happens when there's a gift? That's a transfer of the ownership. It's regardless of the DMV registration status. That just gives you permission to ride on the roads. It doesn't have ownership of the car, and they're refusing to see the title when I'm offering it. They don't want to see it. They do not want to see the title. And that's all in another video, but this is a loser case, and I'll be putting this out to Jack Campbell. You know, I've got a social media presence, and I'll take it right to Jack Campbell and put him on the hot seat about it. And whoever is running against him is going to love some stuff that I got, because this is a corrupt case right here. And I'm not shy about it. It's not unrelated to a billion-dollar oil fraud where they stole a program that I've written. It's not coincidence that these three things are happening. Well, we also got the Florida bar. You need to just become familiar with my YouTube channel and my Facebook page because I've been documenting this stuff for a while, but this is just the extension. This is the billions of dollars that have found their way back over into Florida, and we are looking at a case of corruption right here. And, take this to the JQC. I'd like the JQC to see what if they haven't closed her case, they might want to look at this, because this is an aggravating circumstance, I believe. Anyway, thank you for letting me vent right there. Yes. Yes. Oh, they don't want to take this to trial, because I bet. I would love. I'm going to go all the way. I'm taking it straight to the newspaper. I mean, I'm taking it straight to the media. Is what the media will cleanse this whole thing. Anyway,
Like, where are you? So I know you said you're in Bay County.
yes.
Are you like living there now?
Yeah. Well,
Okay, got it. Okay, so it might be a little bit before you come back to town.
yeah. I mean, I don't come. I've only been coming over for I came over the one time to go to the library over there. You know, I'm a graduate from Florida State. But anyway, the trespass order, and then they tell me I can't speak to anybody at the university. So that would seem to,
With the pretrial release information, I'm just a little concerned that you have this warrant. I don't want you to end
yeah.
up getting arrested over
Well,
it.
no, I mean, they would love to do that, but I will fight it. I'll fight it, and then I'll get back out, and I'll put it I'll put it right back out on the media. There's a spotlight that's already shining on this thing because I've already put it up there, and we're all looking to find that case. Where's the case, by the way? The case, you can't find it on the website. Like, that's a problem. Like, that's a secret trial. Yeah, have you noticed that you can't find it on?
That might help.
Well, I've got that. I just you can't find it on the website though, where you used to be able to. Like, I've got the PDF right there, saved. With
Email you anything you need from your file. Would that be helpful?
Well, I'd like to know why I can't find it on the clerk of the court's website. Where, yeah, that's super suspicious. That's reasonable doubt, right? I mean, I'm seeing all kinds of reasonable doubt coming up here. That they want to take this forward. I mean, like Jack Campbell does not want to take this forward. Yes.
And I'm with you on that.
Yes.
All the way. We are down for
Yes. All right. Yeah. Yeah.
right now.
I'm not concerned about that because hey, listen. I'm not concerned because I know that they're not gonna have. It's not gonna be a high priority to chase me down, and I can do more damage. That's why I got this thing called prepaid legal. That's what one of my the channel is called prepaid legal, and I'm paying them first. See, because I got thrown in for 50 days this summer without bond based upon a faulty first violation. So I'll go head to head with them, and I will do more damage to them in the media than they will do to me because they won't hold me forever for doing that. And it's going to be in front of the JDQ and the Supreme Court today. I'm gonna holler at them as soon as I get off. I'm calling the JQC and seeing if they want to look at what the hell Barbara Hobbs is doing, giving orders I mean, and why is it okay if it's a felony and not okay if it's a misdemeanor? Because Judge Stornstrom is exactly talking about this at 2 hours and 33 minutes. So it doesn't make any sense that there's like some magic division between felony and misdemeanor, like that she wouldn't be beholden to police if it was a misdemeanor. This is a huge case. So that's what they do is these are experienced lawyers that I'm up against, and they're getting they're making it a misdemeanor. They would love one thing. I want to depose Sergeant Collier. The discovery has not been provided to me properly, so therefore even in a misdemeanor that you can't depose if they've done everything else right. They've done nothing right. This has been a succession of unfavorable events to me, and I believe I can get Sergeant Collier deposed. And I just need a coach, on rules of criminal procedure, and I can handle him myself. I tore him up in the first phone call. I mean, that's the one where you should become familiar. I mean, this is going to be a big case. Anyway, I digress. Yes.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm still concerned about you getting picked up.
Yes.
I don't want that to happen.
Well, even if it does, I'll take it. They will pay for it they'll pay for it. I mean, they should just be getting their checkbooks out already. But if I get run in again, it'll just be a bigger lawsuit than I have already. So that's the way I'm looking at that. and I will do more damage to them than before I get arrested. Like I'll eventually will be. If they don't collapse it, I can collapse it before then because I'm trying to get on talk radio, and it's going to blow up huge. And yes, yes, yes.
Have you ever, did you live in Tallahassee for a while? I know
Oh
you
yeah,
went to school here.
yeah. I lived over there for 8 years probably.
Okay. Are you living on your own now?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Do you have any family or anyone?
Well, my mom's a co-conspirator. My mother's a co-conspirator. Yeah. So, but I got them on a strong arm robbery also. Check it out. Oh, you just send me an email and I will respond to it with some links to stuff that you'll find fascinating that's not in the discovery anywhere. We need to provide them some discovery and show them, hey, did you know about this? And then see if they still want to go forward with it. And they won't because they don't have all of our discovery. Okay? So that's what I want to do.
We'll send you, how about this too? Because I'm taking notes like
Yes.
you said, and we're going to be preparing for trial.
Yes.
I'm still telling you, I'm concerned.
Gotcha.
I can't
Gotcha.
send you for trial until that gets lifted.
Okay. Well, I will take them on. I'll do a public trial. We'll do I'll do a media trial, before the public, before we have to worry about that. So,
Okay.
just have that noted for the record that,
follow up because I know you want to see these videos. I'm going to try to make that happen on Zoom.
okay.
So I'm going to need to send you an email just to set up
Yes.
the time to
Yes.
do that with your
That's perfect.
lawyer, okay?
That's perfect.
I'm also one of your lawyers, but
Yes.
Mr. Wallaber,
Awesome.
okay?
Awesome. Okay. All right.
So
Hey,
just
listen.
be watching your emails for the
Yes.
next day or two for
Okay.
that appointment day and time, and then
Okay.
just make sure you can get to a computer or
Yes.
smartphone.
Got it. Right. Okay. That's awesome. Hey, hey.
So we'll be in touch ASAP. If you don't hear from us
Yes.
by the end of the week, by tomorrow,
Yes.
on Monday.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. Hey, thanks a lot. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for your patience.
Okay.
And we really want to help you out, okay?
All right. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.